So we have three notions about design. One is to ask the question, how am I surprising the user? What delightfully whimsical elements am I adding to create allure and to get the heart beating? Secondly, we looked at the notion of, above all else, protecting your heart, because you bring your own self into your designs and they have value, and the walls around your designs are things that you define and they're very individual. But then finally we looked at the notion of magic not being an option, and that's why we study engineering and ergonomics and kinesiology, design research, and some of these other sort of elements. So you combine all these together and you too can design wonderful things. Here are some of my paintings and sculptures, and that's from a book project. And remember New Delhi, from when I had everything stolen in the train in 1984. Some more sculptures. Don't see the speck in others' eyes when you have a log in your own. And there's a random wizard I painted in a field of orange. Some random stuff. Models. There's a long story behind that painting too. And then here's something that's a little cynical, but I think it's true, about going from childhood to adulthood. And then this painting is a little story. It's a painting of the star, as it turns out. Some paintings from Matt Sauer, or digital drawings. Did a real good job with those. My COVID-19 painting. Okay, so there's a little bit of the art of design.